Hello, everyone. So, today in Richa's Biology Crash Course CSR Life Sciences, I'm going to talk about photoreactivation mechanism of DNA repair. Basically, photo, you can see here, photo means basically, you can see it's a light, right? Yeah. So, yeah, it's work now. Yeah. So, basically, it is the ability of light to repair the UV induced mutation of DNA. Here you can see the UV light is coming, which is causing the TT dimer. So there is a distortion in the DNA. So basically, how the you can see the bulge here. So basically, TT dimer is blocking the DNA replication as well as it is blocking the transcription. So now, how to correct this TT dimer? So basically, we have to correct this TT dimer with the help of light. That's why it is called as photoreactivation mechanism. So mostly blue light is responsible here. And there is one enzyme here which is called as photolyse enzyme, which breaks the covalent bond between the TT dimer here by using visible light, right? So now you can see here the DNA is with lesion here. Now here is the corrected form. There is no lesion here. So TT form is corrected with the help of this photoreactivation mechanism. So basically, where does it occur? It occurs in prokaryotes, like in bacteria. It occurs in some eukaryotes also, like fungus, plants, and animals. But it is non-existent in humans because humans are using NER mechanism for the this process. And here, how this photolysis works. Basically, it is consists of flavoproteins, which contains two light harvesting cofactors. One is FED, one is MTHF. So, what is FED? That is flavin adenosine dinucleotide. This you have to remember. Second, what is the full form of MTHF? That is methylene tetrahydrofolate. This you have to remember. And rest, here you can see DNA photolysis is a product of PHR gene. This you have to remember. In CSR net exam, mostly in part C question paper, which is of like 4 marks, like one question is equivalent to 4 marks, right? If you are on good marks, good score there, so you will easily clear this paper. So in part C, mostly they will give you various options. Which one is the correct? Which one is wrong? So in this photolyze, they will give you various options. What are the options that DNA photolyze? It is a product of PHR gene. It is a product of any other gene they will ask for. So this you have to remember. It is a product of PHR gene. And how it works basically. So here FED and MTHF, there are two light harvesting complexes, and how it works, this you have to remember. So basically it is direct reversal of DNA repair mechanism. You can see here when the UV light is coming, so TT dimer is formed. So now the visible light, which is activating this enzyme photolyse, is responsible for the repair process, right? And how it is repairing? So MTHF, basically it will absorb the visible light that is of 384 nanometer, and it will get excited. You can see here this is the excited part. So now it will transduces energy or photon to FED. So it will transfer its energy to FED. And then after getting energy from MTHF molecule, FED gets converted to FEDH2. Now what will happen? It transfers high energy to pyrimidine dimer, and the dimer will break, and that is how the DNA is repaired. So this is quite common question which CSR net exam asks for. So basically you have to remember 2 points here. What is photoreactivation? Basically it is the ability of light to repair the UV induced mutation of DNA. How the light is repairing the damage which is done by UV, right? And The enzyme responsible here, you have to remember the DNA photolase enzyme. Third, it is non-existent in humans. Fourth point, it is a product of PHR gene and it is consists of two light harvesting complex FAD and MTHF. And how it works, you have to remember this. So that is the simple one. Thanks. So thank you. If you like my channel, please like and comment on it. Subscribe it now. So my channel name is NameRicha1 and handle is @RichaH3K. If you have any queries, you can contact me on this my mail ID. This is my YouTube channel, so you can share with your friends and families who are going to appear for this exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.